Hey guys, VEVOR sent me a tubing notcher and a hole saw kit. Come check it out. Good stuff. So I got my VEVOR tubing notcher. I need to put it together and try it out. And we got that. Let's see what we got. Tubing notcher. Clamp. Looks heavy duty. We'll find out. We got that. I don't know what it is, but we got, I like to hold the tubing. And I guess this is a, I don't know what that is, but we got it. And we got that. Yep. What we got? Not roller bearings. We don't have roller. Like brass bushings. So if you get one with roller bearings, you gotta pay like double the money for it. But I'm not gonna do a lot of notching, so that should be fine. I wonder if it's got directions in there. No. No directions, so I guess we're gonna have to common sense put it together. Okay, let's assemble the VEVOR tubing notcher. You're gonna need 3 different sizes of Allen wrenches and a 19 millimeter. 19 millimeter, and for that, to adjust your angle, along with the Allen wrench. This, you lock it down or you keep that from falling out or whatever. This is how you set your angle. Got the angle like it goes to 50 degrees. Maybe even more, probably won't, yeah, something like that. Anyway, this is gonna go on this, like this. So it goes in that notch right there, just like that. And this should be centered of the pipe. Try to get as close as I can on the initial assembly. Then this locks it down so it won't slide. Like so. I think it's about center of the pipe. Looks pretty close. I'm gonna put it in the vise so it'll be easy to work on. Maybe clamp it right there in the vise. Then you take another Allen wrench, take this bolt out, one of them. Then I think slide this dude over that, put the bolt back in. I think the clamp goes, yeah. Well, nope. So where's the clamp go? Oh, I see how it goes. Wrong. Now we got something. Yeah. Yeah. Now we got something. So put this bolt back in now. So we got the clamp to hold the pipe, and we got an angle right there. And I got this about centered, looks centered. If it ain't, it's really close. Tighten this back up, just keep that from falling out. It's just for shipping. The only reason they got it out of there anyway, makes it fit in a smaller box. Yeah. And that's it. It's put together right there. Like I said, you got that 19 millimeter nut under the bottom and big Allen wrench. When you get your angle adjusted, you tighten this down. To hold the angle. Then loosen this up, put your drill nut in, your hole saw there. It should be ready to make a notch. Let's find out. I think I'm gonna mount my big vise, I think, make it better. Yeah, probably so. So I'm gonna make a brace, short brace. So right there. This is a 80-degree angle, not 90. This would be, yeah, it's 80. I checked it as 80. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my chop saw, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a 40-degree angle like that on both ends. So I don't want to run the whole saw through the whole pipe. I just want to run it half depth. Yeah, let me do that. I'm gonna start with this little short brace right there. And it's not, you can see it's not a 90, so let me see what it is. So if I put this speed square, kind of like that, look like it's 80. I'm gonna call it 80. We're gonna call that an 80-degree angle. So I need a 40-degree angle on each end of a short pipe. Tubing. Pipe, tubing. If I say pipe, you gotta know I mean tubing, so no big deal. And I find it easier if you're gonna make 2 cuts the same angle on each end, you need some kind of reference line. I'm gonna go by that welded seam right there. I'm just gonna mark that welded seam as the short side of the tube. Tube, not pipe, it's tube. Same, it's all around. So, when I put that in the notcher, I put that line, I'll look at it from the back side, I'll put that line right there. It just squared straight up and down. I'm just gonna eyeball. I mean, it ain't gotta be perfect. Notcher. We probably had to fine tune it anyway after we notch it, so it'll be all right. Who knows, I might get lucky, it might come out perfect first time. So I got it rigged up. I got a 1/2 inch drill, probably 3/8 work, but I got a 1/2 inch slow speed. It'll turn. I got my shaft oiled up really good, a lot of oil on that. So I can go slow, I can go faster. We're gonna try that. I don't know if you see or not, but I got my line centered right there. So when I flip it over, do the other side, I get the line centered and it should fit, hopefully. Sorry about all the junk, man. My shop's junked up, but you see my shop destroyed, like somebody dropped a bomb up in there, that means I'm getting stuff done. So this is one of the things I'm getting done right here. Spray some oil on it. You don't want a lot of oil. All right, we're gonna go for it and see what happens. Might work. Done deal. Let's see if it fits a piece of pipe. Looks like it will. Yep. Perfect fit. Hopefully it's on a 40-degree angle like it's supposed to be. So I turn it around and notch this side. Same. Put my black line in the center. I don't want to take a lot off. That's the trick, is getting both ends, getting them both exactly the same. That's why I got that black line. I don't know if I got it perfect or not. I mean, we'll find out when I get it when I get it done. See if I put that there. It looks right. I'm about to find out. All right. Gotta get that piece out. It's hanging me up. It's gonna be great. All right. Maybe. Let's find out. So I wiped the oil off of it. I hadn't even put a flat wheel on it, fine-tuned it to get the burrs off. Let's see if it fits. Man, almost perfect. If I had my angle a little bit, my angle finding process is probably not perfect, but I'm really close. So I could just do a little flat wheel right there, make that fit perfect. So let me do that right now. There you go, guys, VEVOR tubing notcher. Works great. Man. So I notched a lot of that tubing was notched with this right here, with that one hole saw cutter on it. Yeah, that. So all y'all gotta do, actually, I mean, the clamp is simple. Once you get it set up in a vise like I got, all you gotta do is loosen that with the Allen wrench and set your angle according to that, or best you can, and just go. Works great. I got my drill on slow speed. Of course, if you want high, that's up to you, but I like to cut slow with oil, so use this deep creep penetrating oil. Just spray it on the saw and on the pipe and go. Works great. I don't know how many notches I didn't cut with this, but a whole bunch. See, I done wore paint off the hole saw, so that's saying something. And it's still cutting, ain't wore out yet. But that's a whole lot of notching going on right there. I didn't do all of it with this, but I done most of it, a lot of it. Done a lot of it with that right there. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to check it out. I'll get a little kickback if you buy one, so you're helping me out and helping yourself out, getting a deal on a tubing notcher. VEVOR also sent me this hole saw kit to go with the notcher. And I was gonna use it, but since I got 1.5" tubing, and there's no 1.5" hole saw. I got 1 3/8, 1.5" is the closest they got to it. So I already had a DeWalt 1.5" hole saw, so I put that on it. But yeah, if you need hole saws, they got some good ones. Hole saws, man, well, VEVOR got, man, you wouldn't believe all the stuff they got. You go on a VEVOR site and just search for anything you want, or man, it's unbelievable what all they got. Good deals with stuff too. But yeah, tubing notcher, hole saw, VEVOR. Link is in the description. Appreciate you. See you next time.